We offered this analogy a few weeks ago because we had several days together in Cancun, and it erupted from a series of questions, and it is such a good analogy to help you to understand that you are offering these vibrations and that you are establishing, without knowing it, a vibrational platform or grid or point of attraction that is filling in, and that you have control over what fills in, not once the momentum of it begins, but before the momentum of it begins. Because when you give your attention to something for as little as 17 seconds, momentum begins. And now another thought like it is going to join it, and another and another and another. And once you cross that 68-second point, you've got a pretty strong point of attraction going on that makes you feel like you want to create your own reality, but that you can't control it. But the reason that you often believe that you cannot control your own reality is because you're not tending to your vibrational frequencies in the beginning of the day when you're fresh and clear. You often just let life occur to you, and whatever happened sort of establishes the grid you're on. And then being on that grid, the momentum gathers, and then you come to a gathering like this where we say you create your own reality, and you say, well, maybe I do, but it doesn't feel like I'm creating my own reality. It feels like reality is creating me. It doesn't feel like I'm thinking my own thoughts. It feels like the thoughts are thinking me. And we say, that's because you're not jumping in and paying attention until there's momentum already established. You want to get out ahead of the manifestation. You want to get out ahead of the momentum. You want to choose the disc that you get on and practice staying there. When you find yourself flying high and feeling good, milk it longer until you've established more of a pattern. And it is our promise to you. In time, you will be at this grid frequency, at this one, at this high flying, good feeling grid frequency often enough that when you dip into a lower one, and you will because stuff happens. You're not blind, you're not deaf, you're not oblivious to what's going on in life. You're watching television, you're talking to your friends, you're aware of what's happening. All kinds of things are going to place you momentarily, temporarily, maybe even for a longer time than you want to, on these lower discs that are going to fill in with more evidence of where you are. That's all just fine. But every chance you get, if you're meditating, if you're making lists of positive aspects, if you're rampaging in appreciation, if you're watching for the things that feel good more and more, you will establish more of a chronic vibrational frequency in that higher frequency, so that more of what's in your vortex will begin to fill in, and you will begin to feel two wonderful things: empowerment, self-empowerment. Because you're in control of your vibration, therefore you're in control of your point of attraction, therefore you're in control of which disc you're on, therefore you're in control of what jumps on with you. Empowerment and a feeling of worthiness. And we so want you to have those experiences, those emotions that go so tightly together, because you tend to not tend to your frequency, and then stuff happens that you don't like, and then you make such a wrong assumption that someone has deemed you inappropriate and now is giving you stuff you don't want as punishment for your inappropriateness. And there's nothing like that going on. It's that you've simply chosen a frequency that won't let on what you do want and does let on what you don't want. That's all. You create your own grid. You create your own frequency. You create your own momentum. You create your own reality. You do. Don't you love knowing that? We love you knowing that. We love you knowing that. So what do you want to talk about? What you're going to notice is we're not going to be too eager about helping you beat the drum of lower flying discs. Briefly, but not so much. On the aisle or here?